Hi, this is Laura Riffle welcoming you to the free preview of 10 Rules That Govern Behavior. We need to be CSI agents, not crime scene investigators, but causal science investigators. In order to do that, we need to understand where behavior comes from. I will take you through 10 rules that actually govern behavior that help you understand where this behavior is coming from. And I'll share real examples of real students and the interventions that we did to mitigate what was causing those behaviors to show up. I'm going to share 2 rules with you right now. We can improve behavior by 80% just by pointing out what one person is doing correctly. My mantra is energy flows where attention goes, and we can really use that to our advantage. However, we know the research that says that, but we actually use it less than 10% of the time. You know how when you get a new car, all of a sudden that's all you see on the road? Like you got a new Volkswagen Jetta, and before you got your Volkswagen Jetta, you never noticed Volkswagen Jettas before. But now, because you're focused on that, that's all you see out on the road. And that's the same way with behavior. So we can label appropriate behavior, and the more we label that appropriate behavior, the more we will see that appropriate behavior. I'll share with you the functions behind behavior and what they are. And a lot of people only focus on 2, but there's actually a host of things that students are trying to gain and a host of things that students are trying to escape. And I'll share that with you. I'll share information about sensory overload and what that looks like in the classroom for students who are on sensory overload, too much sensory coming in. And the current research is pinpointing that about 1 in 6 students has some kind of sensory issue. Not all to a real extent that it would disrupt learning, but 1 in 6 have some kind of a sensory issue. If you have any questions about this training, you can contact me at caughtyoubeinggood@gmail.com.